Hi, I'm Melissa de Korte. Welcome to my channel. If you found your way here, there's a good chance you work with Excel or Power BI, and your data isn't always as clean or in the shape that you'd like it to be. Maybe you receive files that need consolidating. Maybe you're combining data from different sources. Maybe you've used Power Query before but still feel a little unsure. Or maybe you've opened the advanced editor, seen the M code, and immediately closed it again. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. This channel's here to help you learn Power Query. We'll work through practical examples, troubleshooting, exploring functions, and look at important concepts in the M language. The goal is not to overwhelm you with theory, but to keep things practical and help you understand what is happening behind the scenes, so you can solve more problems on your own. There's a companion GitHub repository for this channel. There you'll find sample files, M code scripts that support the videos, and other resources. That means you can follow along, test the examples, change things, break things, fix them, and learn by doing. Because Power Query is not just about clicking buttons. It's about understanding how your data changes from one step to the next, and design solutions that are reliable, reusable, and easy to maintain. So if you want to clean messy data, automate repetitive tasks, and understand M better, hit that bell and subscribe to this channel. I'm happy you're here. Let's Power Query everything.